here at last. Let me tell you how it happened. Some took over me, got my hands and feet, couldn't stay in my seat. Now I clearly see.
All right, folks. Guess I'll be putting the roof on next. The roof is gonna be slanted from there to there. We'll put that on next week, and then we can park the old tractor up under there. I put a little makeshift gate up here to try to hide my trailer back here. Didn't look like I do a good job of it, but oh well, it is what it is. Gotta go on and lock it down, and next week I'm gonna come back and make it look real pretty. That's all I had today, and I'm actually tired. All right, folks, I'm coming along. Got all the studs up. I'm gonna tighten them down and getting ready to put the tin in here pretty soon. So, put the tin roof up. Stay tuned. Almost there. Well, people, I got the roof all done. Had to pull the handy dandy Yanmar out to get up there on top of the roof to get it done, but it is done and it looks good. Look at that, people. Looks real good. The old tractor shed coming in real good. All right, people, y'all stay tuned. Looking good, stay tuned. All right, here we go, people. I go to trailer, RV. She said she want to walk around. Let's give her a walk around. All right, it's coming down from the main road. That right there goes back in the woods to my stand. My trailer's behind there. Let's go around there and see what the trailer look like. Got it all chained up. This is gonna be a big gate right here that swings open. Look at that, people. There's the trailer. Everything is all nice and neat. Nice and neat. Going around here. Hope I'm not walking too fast for you. But look at that. Don't that look real good? All nice and neat. I ain't got it cleaned up under here yet, so that's gonna be the next chore, to straighten it out where everything looks real good. Have my tractor sitting right there, all my rocks up under there. Got my deer hanger, trailer back here. We'll get it all cleaned up, but it's so shady. Looks so good up under here. Looks real good, people. Get ready to park that tractor, red tractor right there. It'll be out of the rain for the first time. Let's do one more look. One more look. Let's end on a good note. End on a real good note. There she go, people. There she go. Nice little old bone coming from the main road. Everything looks real nice.